Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Poco F4 GT and you need to do a hard reset on it and you don't have the pin code or the passcode. You can actually bypass that and reboot everything. Keeping in mind it will wipe everything off of your phone, all of your contacts, photos, everything like that, and you will need to, your phone will be like a brand new phone. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead. It's quite easy. All you need to do is press and hold with the phone turned off. You're going to press and hold the power and the volume up button, and you're just going to keep holding that until you'll see the phone turns on. And then you're going to click. You're not going to go to reboot the system, but you're going to go down to the main menu. Click the power button to select it, and then you're going to go to the wipe data option on this main menu. So you're going to use the volume button to click down, and then hit the power button to select it. And then it's going to ask you to confirm it by going down again to wipe all data, and then going down again saying confirm. And then once it does that, then you can go back to the main menu and you can reboot it. And once it reboots, it will turn on like it's a brand new phone. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.